morning, dear friends. Myself, Dr. Abhay Ravi, specialized in Ayurveda gynecology and obstetrics. This is the entry video of my YouTube channel, Vaidya for Ayu. I am here in front of you with my ambition to spread the nectar of Ayurveda to the community. For that, I need your support and blessings. This is for you. Ayurveda, the science of life with its primary focus on the protection of health of a healthy person, also elaborately explain the treatment aspect of huge spectrum of diseases that arises due to the lack of awareness or carelessness towards healthcare. Most of the available treatises are in Sanskrit language, the apt language which can explain the hidden secrets of Ayurveda in different ways. The range of perception and application of the basic principles are left to the caliber of the receptor. The main three treatises are Charaka Samhita, Susruta Samhita and Ashtanga Hridaya. Apart from this, there are n number of legendary works like Charagadara Samhita, Bhavaprakasha, Yogaratnagara, Kashyapa Samhita, etc. I do agree that we have lost so many germs of knowledge during foreign invasion. For example, the available Kashyapa Samhita is incomplete. So many chapters are found to be missing in Kashyapa Samhita. But the available knowledge itself is enough to spread the beauty and fragrance of Ayurveda. Veda means knowledge, and Ayurveda means the knowledge regarding the healthy long life. It is considered as the Upaveda or the sub-branch of Atharva Veda or as Panchama Veda, the fifth Veda. The person who works in the field of Ayurveda or those who admire the beauty and fragrance of Ayurveda knows the depth of this science. Ayurveda prioritizes the physical, mental and spiritual well-being of an individual. Shastra means that which instruct. That is, if you do so, you will get the result. Ayurveda is that Shastra which is time-tested, time-proved research product. The science that evolved after a series of observation, experiment, discussions and debates. It is a crude form of knowledge. Ayurveda explains the thing briefly but elaborately. You may feel odd that these two words are opposite, is it? Yes. Ayurveda explains the things in sloga, that is in poetry form. But the depth of knowledge is very elaborate. About 4500 to 5000 years back, Ayurveda Acharyas did dissection in human dead body, explained each and every aspect of human body, including the 7 layers of skin, the condition or the diseases that can affect the 7 layers of skin. Still, the whole world is accepting father of plastic surgery as Acharya Susruta, who was an Ayurvedic legendary, lived 4500 years back. But it's painful that people from other medical streams dishonoring Ayurveda. I do agree that people have a habit of throwing stones to a tree full of fruits. But without enjoying the fragrance of tuberose or jasmine, how we can say that there is no smell or it is foul smelling? It's my request that we all are for the goodness of the mankind, and the act of appreciation should also be there in life. Ayurveda was the stream of medicine during the eternal Indian history, where there were renowned universities like Nalanda, Takshashila, Vikramshila, etc., which were the hubs of knowledge, where there were students from different parts of the world for procuring or achieving knowledge regarding medicine, philosophy, etc. Still, Ayurveda procures that solemnity and power. Those who criticize Ayurveda first learn the Shastra. If you are still feeling that it is not worthy, then you can criticize. There are so many legendaries who realize the nectar. Former president of Indian Medical Science Academy, Padma Vibhushan, famous cardiologist Padma Vibhushan, late Dr. M.S. Valithan. First oncologist of Kerala, late Dr. C.P. Matthew. Famous cardiologist Padma Vibhushan Dr. B.M. Hegde. So many legendaries contributed their endorsement in the field of Ayurveda. There are so many books available in the market regarding Ayurveda by Dr. M.S. Valithan. All these things are available if you browse. My only motto is to spread the knowledge of Ayurveda, spread the basic principles of Ayurveda to the common people. To spread you the knowledge regarding the way of life that keeps us healthy. Small tips that will be beneficial in essential critical conditions. So here I am presenting my YouTube channel for you. Vaidya Furayu. Ayurvedo Videsheshu Vidheyaha Paramadaraha. Bowing in front of the great legendaries of Ayurveda. Thank you so much.